This is Chris Downs with IMTS TV, and I'm here with Alexander Zoller, where he's going to talk to us about some of the new innovations they have coming out at IMTS. Alexander, could you tell me a little bit about who Zoller is and what you guys do?
Yeah, Zoller Inc. is a global family-owned company in its third generation. We are more than 70 years now in business, and we are providing customers with our solutions, tool presetter, measuring machines, inspection machines, tool management software, tool management hardware, and also automation. We are supporting all different companies in the manufacturing industry, so we are very diversified. Our headquarters in North America is in Ann Arbor, Michigan, so we are centrally located to support sales and service throughout the USA, Canada, and Mexico.
And what kind of sets you apart from some of your other competitors?
What we are providing is not just a product, we are providing a complete solution supporting companies in the manufacturing business to get their products out in a short amount of time with less cost, less money involved. And we are connecting basically our software and our presetting machines, inspection machines, and our tool management software all in once. This basically separates ourselves from everybody else.
And could you tell me a little bit more about some of those like bread and butter products and services that you guys are offering?
So the bread and butter products what we are offering are tool presetter and measuring machines for setup reduction, and then also our tool management software where we basically connect CAM systems, our storage systems, our presetters into one centralized database. So those are our bread and butter products.
Okay, and we're standing in front of a new product that you guys are introducing at IMTS this year. Could you tell me about that?
Yes, beside our tool management software, we are introducing this year at IMTS our tool management solutions hardware, our tool management cabinets. So basically we are storing cutting tools, holders, measuring equipment, everything in our tool management hardware. And the hardware is controlled through our software. So we know exactly at every given point in time if somebody took a tool out, assigned to a setup sheet, etc. So we are taking basically full control of whatever is around the machine tool.
Okay, awesome. And I know that you guys are getting into some more advanced smart factory solutions. Do you want to talk a little bit about that as well?
Yes, the Zoller Smart Factory Solutions basically combines everything from programming to the finished part. So with the Zoller C1 database, we are combining cutting tool information in the centralized database. And what we are showing here on the Zoller booth is basically an entire process from art to part. So we are basically starting with a CAM system, programming a part, and then we are sending a setup sheet to our tool management hardware. We are retrieving components, retention knobs, holders, cutting tools itself, and we are assembling those tools, we are measuring those tools, and we are then transferring offset information to a machine tool. So everything what takes to make a good part, and this is our art to part, what we are demonstrating here live at IMTS.
All right, and in terms of really value added to the customers, when you talk about kind of reducing that time, could you talk about the benefit that your customers will see?
There is a huge benefit to our customers that they only have to enter cutting tool information only one time in our centralized C1 database. So the initial data will be entered only once. It will not, if a customer doesn't use it, they have to enter it in a CAM system, for example, for cutting tools. They have to enter it in a tool room. They have to enter it on a presetter. So we are combining everything to once, and the big advantage is data is only available one time in the database, and also if it changes, if it needs to be maintained, there is only one place to make that change.
Awesome. Thanks so much for talking with me, Alexander. And if you guys want to learn more, be sure to come down to Zoller's booth at IMTS in the West Hall, or go to zoller-usa.com. This is Chris Downs signing off for IMTS TV.